Mastering CSV handling in Python involves leveraging the CSV module for efficient data manipulation. This module simplifies reading and writing operations, allowing developers to seamlessly process structured tabular data. By understanding its core functions, you can enhance data analysis, automate workflows, and facilitate data migration across platforms, ensuring robust and flexible data management in professional applications. CSV files are pivotal in Python programming, acting as a universal medium for data exchange across platforms. Python's CSV module offers a robust framework for handling CSV operations, supporting data analysis, reporting, migration, and workflow automation. This native solution simplifies basic tasks and enables complex data manipulation without external dependencies. CSV files are plain text documents where each line is a data record, with fields separated by delimiters like commas. The first line, or header row, defines column names. Subsequent lines are data records, aligned with headers. Delimiters can vary, and UTF-8 encoding ensures cross-platform compatibility, supporting international characters in data exchange.